The Proxxon Angle Polisher WPE, probably the world's smallest angle polisher. Perfectly suited for finishing bare metal surfaces, cleaning, rust removal, or the finishing touches after varnishing. The WPE is offered in a functional and sufficiently dimensioned plastic case. It also contains 18 polishing accessories of professional grade. A robust two-stage planetary gear in combination with a high-quality DC special motor ensures a compact size and maximum torque, especially at low speed. Before polishing, workpieces can be cleaned efficiently, yet gently, with the enclosed 2,000 grain sanding discs. The polishing paste or compound is applied to the soft polishing sponge at low speed. The sensitive electronic control system allows to optimally adjust the speed to different materials and polishing tools, up to a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute. The accessories can be easily exchanged so that other materials can be polished. Once the polishing compound is spread across the surface, the polishing procedure can be continued with the enclosed polishing felt or polishing disc. The different polishing discs included in the set can be used according to material or working stage. A microfiber cloth for final cleaning of the polished surface is included in the set. Thanks to the compact dimensions, the Angle Polisher WPE is perfect for working in tight spaces. The extremely quiet operation of the balanced DC special motor allows you to work for longer periods without unpleasant vibrations. The Proxxon Angle Polisher WPE, unmatched capability with amazingly compact dimensions. Proxxon, tools with character.